Here we go, baby playtime. This is mommy with baby. And this is kind of stepdaddy. He's not the real daddy, but he is my boy, and he likes to play with these babies. Mama may have decided he's not going to play as she's pushing him out of the way. Let's see whether she lets him play a little bit because he likes playing with the babies. What you see there, Loki? Is that a baby? Oh, Mama jumped right over that little gate right there because she did not want anybody playing with her baby. You gonna say hi? Yeah. You're not gonna let him say hi? He wants to say hi. He's always scared of the babies. It's hilarious. What is that, Loki? Is that a baby? Oh, Miss Molly says no. Oh, well, I guess that's all the playtime we're going to get today. Baby just wants to eat. That's what baby wants to do. Well, this little baby is available if anybody is looking for their next forever pup. This little one is 4 weeks old, so we got about 4 more weeks to go, but he's a little CKC, long hair, and he is a bundle of joy.